Deribit wallet pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Deribit charges a fee just for storing your crypto. The surprising truth is creating and maintaining a Deribit wallet is completely free. You only pay fees when trading, depositing, or withdrawing funds, and all fees are clearly shown before you confirm any transaction. Deribit specializes in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's best known for options and futures trading. For example, if you trade a Bitcoin option, the platform charges a small trading fee ranging from 0.3% to 0.5% depending on whether you're a maker or a taker. Withdrawals incur blockchain network fees, which vary by crypto and network congestion, but Deribit does not add extra charges on top of that. Security is top-notch with two-factor authentication, withdrawal whitelist controls, and most funds stored in cold wallets offline. The wallet integrates seamlessly with Deribit's trading platform, allowing easy transfers between your wallet and trading account, real-time portfolio tracking, and quick execution of trades. In conclusion, Deribit Wallet provides a free, secure, and transparent way to manage your crypto. With clear trading and withdrawal fees, strong security measures, and tight integration with the Deribit platform, it's ideal for anyone looking to trade derivatives or hold crypto safely.